What's up friends, welcome back to Do Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to save password in Password Manager on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So how do you do that? You simply want to do a swipe up on your phone, guys, and you want to search for settings. If you're not able to find settings, you can use a search by simple type in settings and you will find it. Open that. Now once the settings is open, guys, you can scroll down to Google. Once you find Google, you can tap on that, then you can click on autofill and then autofill with Google. From here, you want to go ahead and you want to select the appropriate account, click continue. Then from here, guys, you want to select Google Password Manager in the list there. And from here, you will find all of your passwords and website that you have selected. Now, in order to add a password, guys, you want to click on the plus towards the middle right hand side where you have the search password. You tap on that, you can fill in a site name or you can select an application from your phone list before. You can select an application from the phone list. And let's say I want to use for Canva, I can do that and simply enter my username, password, and then click the save on the uppermost right hand side, right? If for some reason you want to, let's say, change a password for existing website that you have visited or you have accessed before, you can easily do that. Just simply go ahead and tap on that website there. And once you tap on the password, you might be asked to enter your password or PIN. You want to do that, and then you will have those password there showed on your phone. Now, once you do that, just simply go ahead, click on edit, and you'll be able to edit the password and even the email address for that current account so that you can view it. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.